What's up, YouTube universe? So, warm weather is upon us and summer vacation season is here. Cruises can offer a fantastic value for those of us seeking an escape from the daily grind. Great food, exciting entertainment, and exotic destinations are a few of the alluring offerings found through a cruise vacation. But before the fun begins, we need to pack and prepare for the adventure ahead. Here are 5 things to remember to get your trip off to a great start, but spoiler, don't forget the kids. Number 5, passport. Your passport or birth certificate is absolutely necessary to set sail. You definitely don't want to be stranded at a cruise terminal, unable to board, due to overlooking this requirement. Number 4, sunscreen. It's easy to forget about packing certain necessities, and sunscreen is essential for those of us who are prone to sunburn. Remember, it's way more fun to eat lobster than it is becoming one. Number 3, cash. It's true that the vast majority of transactions while cruising are handled through a ship account. However, cash has its uses as well. From tipping luggage handlers, buying souvenirs at ports of call, and tipping extra for excellent service, it's a wise decision to have a few bills on hand. Number 2, your carry-on. On embarkation day, your carry-on bag is key. Luggage delivery service can be unpredictable, so remember to pack important essentials like medicine, swimwear, and your tech in your carry-on. Number 1. Well, if we learned anything from Home Alone, it's that an alarm clock malfunction can set the stage for a chaotic morning. So double check the clock and set your smart devices as a backup. Let's not rush and forget Kevin this time. Happy planning, and as always, stay tuned for more unique content.